Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by redeeming the Google Play code to your Google account. This gives you balance to spend. Once done, make sure the Play Store shows the credited amount. If it does not, check the account you signed into. Next, sign into Roblox on the same Android device and same Google account. Do not switch accounts between apps because purchases rely on the Play balance and account link. This step ensures you can choose Google Play as the payment method inside Roblox. You now pick the Robux package inside Roblox and proceed to purchase. Choose Google Play at checkout so your redeemed balance is used. Once you tap Buy, a Google Play payment sheet appears. Confirm the amount and authenticate with your PIN, fingerprint, or password. After confirmation, Google processes the transaction immediately and Roblox receives the purchase token. Make sure to watch for the confirmation dialog in Roblox. It will state that Robux were delivered. If the play sheet shows a different account, cancel and switch accounts. You should see Robux credited almost instantly. If not, force close and reopen Roblox to refresh your balance. Once done, check Google Play order history to confirm the charge and verify your Play balance decreased accordingly. That proves the purchase went through. If Robux still aren't visible, clear app caches and sign out, then sign back into both apps using the exact same Google account. If problems persist, contact Roblox or Google Play support with the order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.